Introducing the newest addition to the Learnt.ai Sidekick family, our innovative AI article writing assistant. This dynamic tool will work with you to create engaging content, be it articles, newsletters, or blogs. Here's how it works. Let's create an article titled "Cats and Dogs, What's the Difference?" Like a supportive writing partner, our AI sidekick will immediately start co-creating this piece with you. What makes this AI tool remarkable is its ability to generate language that's less robotic and more natural compared to other AI generation tools. It is designed to be worked with collaboratively. Not happy with a particular section? Ask for more detail and away it will go. Need a little inspiration? Check out the inspiration box. You'll find this feature across all our Sidekick tools. It's there to provide you with suggestions on how to best utilize our AI tool for various tasks. From developing a departmental newsletter, summarizing insights from a recent industry conference, writing reminders for parent-teacher meetings, or drafting an article for a school assembly, our AI article generator is versatile and ready to assist. Let's return to our example article. We've instructed the AI to expand on the first section, and just like that, you've got a more detailed piece. You can also guide the AI on the tone of your content. Simply saying, "Follow this tone," or "Match this existing article style," will instruct the AI to replicate the style. So go ahead, explore this new tool. And remember, we're eager to hear your thoughts and experiences.